Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by releasing tension. Loosen the string until you have about half to one full turn of slack at the nut so it won't snap. Next, open the locking knob on the locking tuner. This frees the post for string removal. Make sure you note the winding direction on each head to avoid reverse wraps later. Once done, cut the string near the bridge if needed and gently unwind from the post. Keep the old string for reference while you prepare the new one. You now feed the new string from the bridge up to the tuner and insert it into the post hole, pulling until the ball end seats. Then thread the free end through the post and up toward the headstock. Pull taut so the string seats firmly. Turn the locking knob to clamp the string. This eliminates slippage and reduces winding. Once clamped, tune to pitch and add 2 to 3 tidy wraps only if the tuner requires them. This balances tension and prevents slippage during bending. After initial tuning, you should gently stretch each string by pulling along its length and then retune. Repeat this 2 to 3 times so the string settles and holds pitch. Once stable, trim excess string about 2-3 mm from the locking knob to avoid snags. Make sure each string is seated squarely in the nut and bridge. If you experience slipping, red-tighten the locking knob, ensure the post seated the ball end fully, and redo the lock. This fixes most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.